Hello guys, welcome back to YvonneLove Family channel. How you all doing? Hope you're having a good time. So we're back again with Excel. Say hi to the fans.
Hi fam.
Yeah, we're going to be making Excel's hair today. You know, we've done Yvonne's hair, we've done Divine's hair, we haven't done Excel's hair on camera. So today I'm going to be doing another hairstyle with Excel. Just as you know, it's our daily lifestyle. All we do, we bring it to you to enjoy with us. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like, turn on the notification bells so you can get our videos whenever we've posted any. So guys, let's get to the process. So today I'm going to be doing like weaving with braids at the edge. So I'm going to be using this braids short, pretty short, because they're in school already and I don't want it to be very long. So we're going to be doing this today. I'm going to be having the weavings all here, and at the end I'm going to have little braids at the bottom. So guys, stay tuned and watch the process as I begin. Just as I've said before, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing this as a hobby to help mothers out there that wants to learn how to braid their kids' hair and how it will be easy for you and economic. So guys, let's get to it. So first we're gonna be parting the hair in two parts. I'm going to be doing it right all from the bottom. So guys, I want to thank you so much for getting us up to 4,000 subscribers. We are so grateful. Thank you all. Let's say shout out to the friends and say thank you to them. Say thank you all.
Thank you all.
Yeah, we are grateful. Thank you for sharing our videos, for loving Yvonne Family channel, for always coming back. We are grateful. So I've had the curtains here. I'm gonna do it into two parts. So all these parts I'm going to be braiding all down, and here I'm going to be doing just one braid at the bottom. So guys, come with me as we do the process together.
These are strange times, spent so long so disconnected. I'm trying to get to somewhere real again.
So I'm gonna part it. I'm gonna make the first weaving. Actually, I hope you're gonna love your hairstyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, she chose this one. She always liked to copy Yvonne, all Yvonne does. So guys, just as I've always said, my oil always good for the hair, so it's really rich. So I always add it at the bottom so the hair can be moisturized and rich, so it won't be very dry when making it. So guys, I have my braids already fixed here so it can be easy for me. So I'm just gonna start. So stay tuned. So you see, starting out just like this. It's pretty easy making braids. I guess for some people it's really difficult, like how does she even put it at the bottom? You know, each person have the way they do it easy for them. So you have to learn and master how it's easy for you. You get. So you see, all done. Very easy. Just as I used to say, easy peasy, right? So that's it. Very easy. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell. So easy peasy. Yeah, the more you're doing it, the more it gets more easy. You know, when I started at first, it wasn't this easy. I wasn't this fast, you know, but now it's getting easier. So I get faster doing it. I don't spend much time anymore when making braids. And my girls pretty, they are cool when I make their hair. They are always quiet, sitting, watching their iPads, and they make it easy for me. So this is our first braid. Look at how it turns out to be. Beautiful, right? So stay tuned.
And on a dark night, I came to you like an open question, reaching out for something true, and then you speak back to me in a melodic line. You speak back to me, moving in.
So guys, we are done doing this part. So now we're gonna do these other parts. And it's really getting all pretty. It's getting more beautiful. You like it?
Yeah.
Good. So we're gonna do these other parts. I'm just gonna do exactly what I did at the other side in this part. Yeah. We're gonna do these parts. Yeah. I brought in my braids already. Share it. So I'm just gonna attach it at the bottom. Just grab, and that's it. Voila! Easy, like magic. It's so easy, guys. You enjoy it making your kids' hair. At least you're using it to learn. You don't have to pay to a professional just to learn. So you can start with your kids' hair. Sometimes I make my own hair too. So very soon I'm gonna make a video on how I'm making mine. It's not hard at all. It's very easy. Right? I say easy peasy.
Let's go to see the stars and the moon. I'd fly far into space as long as I am with you. The light in my bright eyes when you're near. The fluttering I feel in my chest when you are here. I can't explain this kind of love. It pulls me to you, I want it, I can't get enough. So share this precious life with me. Just take my hand and let's enjoy the things that we'll see.
Behind, now we're gonna be making like braids here at the bottom. So guys, let's see how it's gonna turn out to look like.
Mommy.
We are making progress. Yep. We are making great progress. They can't just sit making hair there. You have to compensate them with something. So when you're making your kids' hair, get prepared. Get what you have to. Get some juice, some goodies, so they can sit quietly, so you can be done on time. So guys, apply a little oil in it, and when I have this fixed down, it's more easier for me to just pick and braid. Here, yeah, see, get it easy. Yeah, this is how it turns out to look. So we continue. So guys, we are almost done with the braids. I guess this is the second to the last or the last. Making hair for Excel and Divine is more easier for me. It's more easier and faster. Let's just sit and be calm, watching TV or their iPads, and then make it easier. Turns out to be very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you think I did a great job. See how it turns out to be? Very beautiful. So I have just one left. I'm done. Yeah. Last one. Yeah. And we are done. So guys, we are done with the braids. So let's see how it turns out to look like. Come on, stand up, girl. And let's see your braid. Yeah, my guy slay. Yeah, turn around. Slowly, turn slowly. Turn slowly. Yeah, beautiful. So guys, give me a thumbs up. And leave in the comment section if you think I did a good job. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. See you in our next video. We love you. Peace. Bye.
Let's go to see the stars and the moon. I'd fly far into space as long as I am with you. The light in my bright eyes when you're near. The fluttering I feel in my chest when you are here. I can't explain this kind of love. It pulls me to you, I want it, I can't get enough. So share this precious life with me. Just take my hand and let's enjoy the things that we'll see.